Hello and welcome back to my channel. Come with me and my family as we take a walking tour of the Oakland Park Walk in Oakland, Florida. But first, we have to eat. We stopped at Red Velvet Kitchen and Grill in Oakland Park Boulevard. We ate fish, black-eyed peas, cornbread, burgers, chicken, salmon, and more. It's truly a southern restaurant. Please support your local eateries. From Red Velvet, we took a short drive to Downtown Oakland Park. That's where the festival was happening. Let's take a family picture. It was a glorious day with blue skies, hardly any clouds, maybe a little hot, but hey, that's South Florida. My sister, you can see her getting away from the camera, dancing shyly. But then, she broke loose. Then look at my brother. He joined the party too. Meanwhile, I didn't film him, but there was a young man just right next to them, laughing. Who cares though? We were having fun and bringing a smile to others. Here's my husband. He managed to get into almost all of my frames. And then we lost our sister-in-law. We kept looking back, trying to find her. I couldn't help it. The skies were so beautiful and I kept looking up with the camera. We stopped to admire the dogs. There were dogs everywhere.
recycle and repurpose.
Yeah.
Oh. I love it. And she has look at that, that's so pretty. She
Finally, we went into art fusion galleries, cool art, like a life-sized person all done in shell, a bust and table made out of pennies, and more. We had an amazing time. Thank you, Oakland Park Walk. Until next year, subscribe and leave me your comments. Have you ever been to the Oakland Park Art Walk? Let me know.